Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, let's get started on 24-hour temperature cast. A lot of us this morning going to start in the 50s. I think this afternoon, a lot of us got a pretty good chance to get up over 70. Now, how far over 70 and how many areas over 70 is going to have a lot to do with who gets some breaks in that cloud cover and who's got the stubborn clouds. The more stubborn those clouds are overnight, by the way, the better chance we'll have to see those temperatures stay up near 60. So we're going to watch things get a little bit warmer as a surge of warmer air takes over, even with the clouds. But some sunshine really helped get those afternoon temperatures up. The more clouds at night means the overnight temperatures stay up. Right now, I don't see anywhere near as much activity on the satellite radars we saw yesterday. That doesn't mean there won't be some, but I'm not really counting on very many showers today. It's 46 in Thomasville. It's 51 in Valdosta. It's 53 in Tallahassee. So we are starting the day seasonable, maybe just a little bit on the warmer side of it. It's 49 in Bainbridge, 48 at Camilla, 47 in Moultrie, 53 in Perry, 54 in Cross City, 52 in Live Oak. So mid-40s to mid-50s, that's our range right now. There is a decent breeze out there, and it's trying from the east to limit that fog, but some of our eastern areas do have those visibility numbers that are at a mile or lower. In Valdosta, we're down to just 1/2 mile. Homerville and Live Oak, we're down at 3/4 of a mile. In Thomasville, it's only 2 miles. So there is some fog out there. We had all that moisture, that dampness yesterday. It doesn't take much for that fog to get going. I think this morning, I think tomorrow morning, fog is absolutely something we got to be on the look out for. There's some energy to the north and west. This is moving pretty quickly to the north. There's going to be some more energy over parts of Texas that gets organized over the weekend. It's that second energy that'll drag that boundary along the Gulf Coast, and that's where our shower chances come from. Before that gets here, we're going to have that look and feel like it could be raining, even if it doesn't. So that unsettled look and feel for today, for tomorrow. But this boundary, that energy on Sunday, I think that's what gives us our next best chance to get wet. And if you watch the Futurecast, what we're going to notice, other than some clouds and that breeze from the east and southeast, is going to be when that next boundary starts moving this way, there should be ample, warm, humid, unstable air in place, which means it likely can trigger some thunderstorms. How strong those are will have a lot of factors contributing to it. One will be how close to us that energy is. It feels like the energy will be a little too far to the north for us to talk about widespread dangerous thunderstorms, but I would not be surprised if Sunday mid-morning there were a couple of stronger ones mixed in there in some northern sections, and that's why the SPC is putting that slight risk to our far northeastern areas. So we'll definitely be keeping our eyes on that over the weekend. When we have this marginal risk across the entire area, that means the threat for a couple of showers is there and it's real, but we're not expecting it. Once it starts to get into the slight or the enhanced categories, that's when we start to expect the dangerous storms. Right now, we're not in that category, but we are close enough, so we'll certainly be watching extra carefully, and I'll have updates over the weekend no matter what. On the Gulf today, east and southeast winds 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. This morning it's 40s and 50s. We'll call it mostly cloudy. Sun comes up at 7:33. I hope we see a little sunshine today, at least some breaks. That'll get those numbers into the 70s. Should feel pretty nice out there today. Tonight it's going to be more mid-50s. We'll call it mostly cloudy. The more clouds that stick around, I wouldn't be surprised if there are some spots that stayed up over 60. And here's that 7-day forecast. You see that 80% shot for showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. Most of that should be done by early afternoon, if not early in the morning. We'll see how things speed up or slow down. It does look a little brighter and drier as we head to Monday, Tuesday. I do think I see some pushes of much cooler air coming by the end of next week. So 2025 may start to watch those temperatures go down, but for the end of 2024, I think we've got a lot of mild coming our way, with that one hiccup being Sunday for showers and storms.